How to use markets. Tangem Markets, or just Markets, is a new addition to the ever-expanding Tangem mobile app. As the name suggests, it provides important details about the cryptocurrency market, including price changes, market capitalization, and, most importantly, insights. What else does Tangem Markets offer besides price charts and performance? You can sort cryptocurrencies by rating, trending, experienced buyers, top gainers, and losers. To learn more about an asset, click on it to access the token details page. The Insights tab is one of the most important sections on this page. It shows the number of experienced buyers and net changes in asset holders, measures available capital for trades, and the asset's buy pressure. Insights help Tangem users make informed trading decisions. You can manage any cryptocurrency supported by Tangem Wallet by tapping the Add to Portfolio button. Markets also help you ascertain a token's real liquidity by showing you the exchanges where it is listed.